Roadzilla is the amazingly durable marking system that outperforms everything on America's roads. Plus, it cures fast. You're open to traffic in just 20 minutes. Watch how easy and quick it is to apply. First, mix the material, but have your tools ready. The two-component system gives you 5 to 8 minutes before it's time to add the reflective glass beads. You'll need the paint and catalyst, a plastic bucket to mix it, a power mixer, a squeegee to level the product, and your stencil taped in place. Be sure to have some scrap paper or cardboard ready for excess material. Finally, you'll need a pressurized bead applicator to embed the beads for long-term reflectivity. Here, we're mixing 1 gallon of methyl methacrylate with 4 ounces of benzoyl peroxide catalyst. Mix for 45 seconds to a minute to ensure that the catalyst is fully dispersed throughout the paint. Second, pour and squeegee it into the stencil, being careful not to overflow. Pour a little at a time and work it in. The product will flow easily into the stencil. Third, remove the stencil and immediately add the reflective glass beads so that they're properly embedded before the product sets up. Be sure to flood the product with beads and let them soak in. They'll wick in and provide excellent retro reflectivity for years to come. That's it. You're ready to open up the traffic after only about 25 minutes from first mixing the catalyst. And cleanup is easy. Once the product sets up, clean the stencil by bending or scraping the product off. Just dispose of any excess as non-hazardous material. It's considered a plastic in its cured state. Be sure to sweep up any excess glass beads as they're slippery. It's just that easy. It's Roadzilla, the world's toughest road marking system, and it's only from Aexcel.